Motor Biscuit channel. Today we're making big stress balls.
So the supplies that you need.
Make sure you like and subscribe, turn notifications, here's the use.
So the things that you need are balloons, 7 balloons, mixing stick, a zip tie, a funnel, one jumbo-sized squishy O's, an instant snow, which is snow, and then you get a mesh netting thing, so you can squish it, and then you have 3 reusable bags. You have slime powder. You have expanded water beads, which are Orbeez, and then 5 glitter packets, and then you have article gemstones. We have scissors to help us open it. How did you do that?
All supplies. I'm not going to do the Orbeez. She probably will.
No, I don't think any of us are going to because it probably takes 24 hours. What? I know you
Wow.
Oh, wow, that's just barely. Why? How did you get yours out?
Okay, so
We have very small. Look at this ginormous
we have
box
4
compared to
clear.
this.
We have 4 clear, 1 cool, and then these, and then a jumbo.
What's the whole point? You have a ginormous box for this big of a packet. What's the point?
So we have a few glitters, slime maker,
Ooh.
instant snow.
I'm using that. Maybe you have to put it in water.
Here are the little ones. Little
Yes.
itty bitty
Make
ones.
sure if you have a baby at home, be careful because those can choke your baby. Ooh. Glitter. Oh my gosh. Oh my
We have
gosh.
these
I
things
love
too.
glitter.
She loves doing that.
Oh my
So
gosh.
I'm
I love
gonna first
glitter.
make a clear one.
I'm gonna put the stuff over here. Let's put this stuff over here. Just put everything on it. I have to. Yes. Help us. We don't know what to do. Ooh. Okay. You have a netting? I'm not gonna use that right now. I think I'll do this one. Where's my funnel? Is that normal? It turned. That's just weird. How are we supposed to fit that on here? It's
I
such a
think this
big.
is for the big one.
Oh my gosh. How do you then hide?
I guess so.
It really matters how much water. Or something. I'm gonna help. I'm gonna do this too. So. This. I don't think. Oh, I thought I just poured the wrapper in there.
Pour too much.
See. How do you mix
Pour
it?
too much water in here.
Find a flat surface that you can use as your work area and then cover your work area with scrap paper, newspaper, or paper towels. Lay out all your materials in front of you before you begin.
It's already in front of us.
And then you want to keep a box nearby so you can look at the picture for ideas and inspiration. Everybody got inspiration?
I got inspiration.
What is inspiration?
But
So
how
now-
do you make the slime?
This
That's
is
the
not a
question.
slime. This is a stress toy, not the
But
slime.
this came in it.
It says stop creating with swoosh O's. Swoosh O's, and then you're gonna have a jumbo balloon. Everybody got a jumbo balloon? That's not where the jumbo balloon goes. And then you have a normal balloon. Everybody got a normal balloon.
I got 5.
Okay, then you're gonna have expanding water beads.
We're from Florida.
You're gonna have instant snow and slime powder. Everybody got that? Let's see what we got. Okay, everybody got water beads.
This is for the water beans.
Everybody got instant snow.
Yes, everybody get
And then
glitter.
this is slime powder. Everybody get one color. Everybody got one color. You got purple, you got blue. Did you get the gels?
No.
Did you get the gels?
These are mine.
jails. All right. Everybody got that. All right.
It doesn't matter about this.
Next, it says ask an adult. We got an adult here.
No. That's not
You're supposed to have an adult fill up the balloon with water.
How are we going to do that?
You got an adult here with water.
What? This is no sense.
It
This doesn't
says the water should
Doesn't
be
fit?
filled up to the base of the balloon to give the squoosh O's a nice shape.
How are we going to?
And then it says you need to add a drop of antibacterial soap to your balloon to keep your stress ball clean. Everybody got that?
We don't have to add that.
And then it says you need to tie the knot as close to the base of the balloon as possible, and this will keep the balloon's shape. That's what you fill up with water, Christina. You put the
But
balloon.
it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit in anything.
We need an adult to fill the balloon with water.
But how?
To give your squish O's the ball
I got it.
finished look.
I got it.
Did you rip the balloon? Did you rip the balloon?
I swear.
Okay. When adding your instant snow or your slime powder, you need to allow your stress ball to sit for 5 minutes before squeezing.
So you just put it in?
We don't need no. How did you put that?
It says if you want to add additional fun to your stress toy, you can use this mesh piece right here. This mesh looking thing that looks like somebody cut a stocking. This looks like a stocking my grandma would have wore. Then you're gonna use that to wrap around your balloon and use a zip tie, and that just adds extra additional fun by allowing the stress toy to squeeze through the mesh.
Yeah.
Absolutely, at any time, if your stress toy pops, do not dispose of these ingredients down your drain. It will mess up your system. Please dispose of them in the trash.
Can you hold this for a second?
Everybody got that? Okay.
Can
thank
you hold this for a
you.
second? Hold like that. Hold right that. Right
This
here.
is my idea. Like I don't need one.
Alright then.
Are you using the instant snow or are you going to use
Yeah, I'm
the,
getting the slime.
the glitter? You're going to use the glitter
No, I'm using the slime.
or the beads. Ooh, these look like a lots of fun. Daddy should buy a whole bunch of these water beads and we can fill the pool up with these little Uzi balls. And everybody just jump in the pool with the Uzi balls.
Yeah, the Uzi balls.
It said, read that again. Replay.
No, I'm good.
Replay.
I'm good.
Okay, which color are you doing first?
No, I'm doing it by myself. I'm a big boy.
I'm not helping. Okay, bye-bye. Mama gonna go bye-bye.
I
Bye-bye.
thought you said we didn't have an adult.
Bye.
Yeah, we have to have an adult.
Yeah, you don't have an adult. That's why Mama's leaving, because Mama ain't no adult. Okay, bye-bye.
No, I need your help. I don't even know how long I'm supposed
Oh, it's making slime.
Wait,
I don't
choose it first. Are you doing the
Is
snow
that
or
good
the
enough?
slime? Snow or slime?
Oh, the serious
Slime.
mom just came out like.
Snow or slime?
We're from Florida.
Snow or
We
slime?
are not.
Snow or slime?
What do you think we're from?
Snow or slime? Snow or slime?
That's how you say the question.
Which color? That's the last one.